Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the kids section on the Netflix website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone or open the website on your device, and after that you should go to the top of the screen, and here you can find this kids section in the right side next to the search icon. So tap on it and then you will be directed to the kids section. Here at the top you can see that you can check out the home page. Then you can search by selecting a character. Here you can find them. Then you can browse among the popular TV series and TV shows. Then movies are also available. Here you can find the trendings. Here is the My List section, and you can also browse according to or by languages. Here you can set the original language, the dubbed language, and the subtitle. Here you can select the language. If you want to, you can scroll down and check out the relevant results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.